You want to say hi to mommy's friends, Bugs? Say hi. Say hi. Hi guys, my name is Dominique Damila and welcome back to Domo's World. As you guys can see, I'm a little dolled up, right? So I decided to do this Valentine's Day look since Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And I know we in a pandemic or whatever, but you can still look cute, sis, wherever you at. And I'm sorry for the background noise. My son is in his bouncer playing, so you gonna hear him. But if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So first, I'm just gonna start off with my E.L.F. eyebrow kit in the style dark. Next, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And then I go in with my BareMinerals BareSkin Concealer in the shade Medium Golden. And this is the same concealer I used throughout the whole video. And I don't think that I showed it in the video, but to prime my skin, I used the Maybelline Babyskin Instant Pore Eraser. Then I just went in with a mini beauty blender just to blend out my concealer, and I used the Airspun face powder just to set it. Now here's where the magic begins. So I go in with my MAC Warm Neutral eyeshadow palette, and I just use the light brown shade in the second row, I believe. And I'm sorry about the lighting here, my light had died. And then I go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I use the shade Next. And I just put that a little above my crease, on my outer corners and on my inner corners. And using that same palette, I went in with the shade Crazy. It's right underneath it, and I put that in my crease, my outer corners and my inner corners once again. Then I go in with my concealer and I just cut my crease, and I don't do it all the way because this is a halo eye, so I just did it in the middle. And I like to put some at the bottom, like where my lash line is, just a little bit, and then look up, and that'll tell me where to cut. Then I go in with the shade I'm in it and I just set my concealer. Then I take the golden shade in Talia, and that's what I used for my cut crease. After that, I just went back in with Next and Crazy just to go over where I cut the crease so it won't look so harsh. Now I'm just taking my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation in the shade Tan Neutral, and it's the number 42. Now I'm just going to go back in with my BareMinerals concealer, and I'm going to highlight the points of my face, which is under my eyes, the middle of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bow. I'm going to set all that with my Airspun powder once again. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline City Bronzer, and I believe it's in 200. And for my nose, I'm just going to take a smaller angled brush. Then for under my eyes, I put Next in the middle, and I used Crazy on the outer and inner corners. and then I put Talia right in the middle. Now I go in with the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I use the blush shade Ibiza in there for my blush. I'm going in with my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette, and I'm going to use the light pink highlight shade in there. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose. And then I take the leftover from that and I do my forehead and my chin. And then I highlight my cupid's bow as well. And then I use that shade for the inner corners of my eye also. And for my lips, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. And this is the look without lashes. If you don't really like lashes, you can just put on some mascara and you can rock it like that. But I'm a lash girl, so I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. For my lashes, I use the Salon Perfect Pre-Permed Push-Up Lashes in the style 671, and I believe I got these from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. And to set everything, I just use my Thayers Facial Mist Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula, and it's in the scent Cranberry Orange. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys recreate it, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see it. And sis, nah, I'm really feeling myself right now. I haven't worn makeup in so long, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.